Kaufman Manufacturing has been a premier provider of high-quality, reliable, and rigid machine tools since 1927. Companies in metal cutting industries worldwide look to Kaufman for high-production, multi-station machining centers. Over the years, we have designed solutions for a multitude of machining applications, including appliances, automotive, electrical, plumbing, chemical fittings, hydraulic components, valves, and more. One of our most successful and productive custom machine types is the Kaufman Hybrid Rotary Transfer Machine. Utilizing a combination of dedicated and CNC-controlled systems, the Hybrid has efficiency core engineered right into its design. These machines are typically capable of producing parts in the 1.5 to 2 million per year range. The Kaufman Hybrid also gives customers the ability to produce part families with a degree of commonality, or parts requiring multiple milling passes to machine a specific feature. For example, this Hybrid that Kaufman built for a manufacturer of measurement and control meters is capable of producing 300 parts per hour. Those parts are gas meter cases made of die-cast aluminum and require milling, drilling, and tapping operations. This particular Hybrid combines CNC and PLC-controlled machining units with B-axis rotating pallets for fixture rotation during the multi-face machine processes. Now, here's a look at a Hybrid in action. Designed and built for an automotive supplier specializing in manifolds, this Hybrid rotary transfer machine completes machining of a diesel engine thermostat housing at a rate of 109 parts per hour. High-speed milling of 3 mounting faces is completed with a 3-axis CNC module using a PCD diamond face mill. The part geometry required a free-state flatness on those 3 faces of 3/1000ths of an inch and counterbore depths of 2 bores within 1.5 thousandths of an inch. The productivity and cost savings of this particular machine convinced the customer it was the right solution and a better choice over the option of buying 3 horizontal machine centers, which would have taken 2 shifts of operation to produce what the Hybrid does in just 1. Based on efficiency, it's easy to see why Hybrids are making inroads, not only out on the streets, but on factory floors as well. And why Kaufman is a driving force in high-production multi-station machining centers. Kaufman Manufacturing provides a wide array of machine tool solutions for metal cutting industries to meet varying volume requirements. When a project calls for a high-production multi-station machining center to process a single part and deliver the highest volume possible in the most efficient and cost-effective manner, a dedicated custom machine from Kaufman is what you need. Kaufman's staff of experienced sales and applications engineers will analyze the details of your project, taking into consideration part geometry, tolerances required, and production hours available in order to develop an optimum concept and solution. Here you see a multi-station rotary transfer drilling and tapping machine, controlled by hydraulic servo 4-axis PC-based CNC. Its function is the drilling and CNC hard tapping of a family of electrical components at a rate above 1,000 parts per hour on these boxes. Dedicated machine tools are also ideal for automotive applications. One example is this Kaufman multi-station rotary transfer manufacturing system, controlled by a combination of ball screw CNC and hydraulic servo CNC PLC units. The system machined complete these aluminum sandcast thermostat housings in an A and B chucking arrangement at a rate of 109 parts per hour to a 1.67 CPK criteria. Here's one in action. This is a dedicated CNC-controlled manufacturing center Kaufman designed for a fittings manufacturer. Machining 4 parts per 11-second cycle, this high-volume dedicated machine produces over 1,300 parts per hour. Castings in bulk form leave the hopper and are conveyed to a vibratory bowl feeder in order to orient the parts on the index table. The index table itself has 5 positions: automatic load station, machining station, where CNC tapping is performed simultaneously from above and below, part wash and blow-off station, pressure decay leak test station to detect porosity, and automatic unload station to reject defective parts and place accepted parts into the parts washer. 2 separate pick-and-place assemblies were in operation, plus a chain conveyor to transport the parts to a high-pressure washing unit. Kaufman engineered the process from raw casting to shipment ready, with a packaging option as well. For this machine, Kaufman designed a new CNC-controlled head that attacked the part at both ends, allowing 2 machining functions to be performed at the same time and leading to higher volume and greater productivity. The hydraulically controlled head assembly with linear scale and servo drive eliminated the need for a ball screw, thereby reducing cost while still allowing for CNC control. That's dedicated. That's Kaufman. For over 85 years, we've been providing industry dedicated machinery to perform and produce at the most top-notch levels. The Kaufman Flex, commonly referred to as the K-Flex, offers a flexible and efficient solution for medium volume projects, up to 750,000 pieces per year, or part families. As you might expect from its name, the K-Flex is all about flexibility. It is a system that allows the customer to easily and inexpensively retool the machine for new projects once a contract has been completed. Kaufman Manufacturing actually pioneered the use of such flexibility back in 1986 with the introduction of the K-Flex line at IMTS in Chicago. The K-Flex is the perfect marriage of 2 machines, bonding the flexibility of a machining center with the volume of a rotary transfer system. Let's take a closer look. This K-Flex, manufactured for a maker of mechanical pipe joining systems, machines cast iron, brass and stainless steel butterfly valve bodies ranging from 2 to 6 inches in diameter. It is a multi-station rotary transfer manufacturing system controlled by 27-axis ball screw CNC with B-axis pallets. The 6-station system precision drills, taps, seats, back chamfers and finish bores the bodies using CNC and U-axis controlled cross-feed heads. Kaufman's unique hydraulic clamping system can maintain constant chucking pressure or apply variable chucking pressure depending on the operation. Customization of the K-Flex allows for Indramat or FANUC controls, 15-axis up to 35-axis, 4-division dials up to 8-division, horizontal or vertical machining units, and 10 to 24-inch working cube range. That's flexible. That's Kaufman Flex. Although the K-Flex was originally designed for the automotive market, it has proven productive for other industries as well, including agricultural, mining, and appliance applications. Remember, the K-Flex is absolutely the most efficient machine for easy and economical part run changeover. It's a versatile solution that allows design changes on the fly or part evolution during the life of a contract, and it's perfectly engineered for a variety of part families. Designing quality-built machines with lean manufacturing principles, Kaufman Manufacturing can be counted on to design and build the most reliable money-making solution for your production requirements. This dedicated rotary transfer tapping and deburring machine processes heavy truck oil filter plates in a 3-piece per cycle arrangement and produces 1,963 parts per hour. Parts are metered into a centrifugal bowl feeder from a bulk elevator hopper conveyor. After the parts are oriented, they are directed into a horizontal feed track to the part escapement for pickup by a servo-controlled pick-and-place assembly. From there, they are transferred into the dial plate part nests. Equipped with a Kaufman 10ER tap head, the machine is designed to tap 3 95mm threads in the 4 low-carbon plates simultaneously. After tapping, the parts are wire brushed to remove any burrs from the threads and are automatically ejected at the unload station. The Kaufman CNC control system consists of a shop-hardened PC workstation, including a 15-inch color touchscreen, 40GB hard drive, and Pentium-class CPU. 1 GB of RAM is provided to store all screens, part programs, and diagnostic text. The system software and machine diagnostics are written in an easy-to-learn menu-driven format that drastically shortens the learning curve when compared to M&G code programming.
All Kaufman controls include an Ethernet connection and software for online support. Another satisfied Kaufman customer who has purchased 9 similar systems over the past 20 years.